hungry pack of wild dogs teamed up to put a large wildebeest to death. To force him to submit, the ferocious dogs were dispatched into two groups. While some of them bit the poor victim's mouth to prevent him from goring them, others started biting his back legs and cutting his belly open. What a gruesome scene to witness. The intestines of the doomed wildebeest kept hanging out of his body as the fierce wild dogs continued to shred his body. An unfortunate kudu found herself in the captivity of a death squad of hungry wild dogs. It didn't take them much time to bring her to her knees. And one of them crushed her windpipe to ensure a hasty kill. Now the whole pack feast on an easy hunt on the sides of this dusty road. These wild dogs were chasing a hare when he managed to flee into a hole in the ground. One of them started digging him out until he succeeded to snatch him from his shelter. In a collective bite, the dogs used their canines to dismember the hare while in their jaws, each claiming their share of the meal. To satiate their hunger, these ravenous predators charged at a gang of buffaloes. They managed to secure themselves two calves, but one of them was recovered by the buffaloes that came back for the rescue.
Why do they keep coming back? We got two.
Yet those efforts couldn't prevent the calf from being captured and devoured. Another group of wild dogs successfully captured his mother. They bit her repeatedly and ripped her flesh apart in a killing frenzy. This warthog's squeals couldn't help him keep out of the mouths of these bloodthirsty predators. After catching him, they dragged him away into the woods and used their canines to tear his body apart. What a bloodbath.